everyone, we are Team Bharat Matrix. We are here to present our solution for problem statement number 4 of Statathon 2025 entitled AI Enhanced Application for Automated Data Preparation, Estimations and Report Writing. Our solution is called StatFlow AI, an AI powered application to automate data cleaning and validation and estimations and report generation for India's survey. Our motivation is simple that India conduct a large survey of data through NSSO, NFSS, ASI and other body, but 60 to 70% of total time is wasted on repetitive manual work, cleaning, validating and preparing reports. This lead to delay, error and inefficiency in delivering official statistics to that policymakers rely on. With StatFlow, we aim to transform raw data into reliable metrics statistics with minimal human effort and maximum accuracy. Now, here are the major challenges that government agencies are facing, that is long delay in releasing result, the human error during manual cleaning and validation, lack of transparency and heavy workload. This issue is affect the evidence of based policy making, which depends on timely, accurate and reliable statistics. Our solution is StatFlow AI is built exactly to solve this. It is an end-to-end platform that automate data, detect survey schema, perform intelligent data cleaning, apply weighting and estimations with designing insights and error margin. And obviously, it generates a production ready report in PDF format with MSPI standard. Now, what makes us unique? It is a Bharat ready AI for local context and human in live. That is, it recommend the people, and obviously it can also be finalized by the human and government grade compilations. This is the flow. As you can see that first of all the raw data get enter, then AI will create AI cleaning and validation, then weight estimation and then it generate a insights report. Now here are the major technical architecture of StatFlow AI is designed on a robust and open source stack. For backend, we use the Python and Django. For database, we use the PostgreSQL, and for background task processing, obviously we use Redis plus Celery. And for front end, we use React.js, and for AIML statistical modeling, scikit-learn, and for deployment, we use the Kubernetes. Here are the tech stacks as you can clearly see. In this technical architecture, it is scalable from district level survey to census level dataset, and it support government format, that is CSV, Excel and JSON format. Currently we are in prototype stage, but several features are already implemented. In some times I will going to show you the demo as well. So what the feature we are completed, that is front end, basic front end we are completed, and data pipeline, schema interface, imputation, outlier detection and the using isolation for it and the missing value and duplicates. These are the basic pipeline features which we are already implemented in the prototype stage. And obviously for also it give the production ready report to you. Now this is the major this is the solution is cost effective and lightweight ML model. This is the basic of it is secure with encryptions and role based access control. We plan state level pilot first before national rollout. For future scopes, we are extending this prototype to include advanced AI cleaning model with confidence scoring, seamless government integrations, offline first support, multilingual capability for Hindi and regional language, and obviously the continuous AI training and more survey data is processed. This ensures that StatFlow will evolve in production grade government ready platform. Now let's have a look over the impacts and benefits that are provided by the StatFlow AI. Obviously, it is time saving, that it saves the tons and hours of time of the manual employee, and it obviously it is cost saving, and it is providing a better accuracy and obviously the faster decision. These are the impact we are providing with StatFlow AI, and here are the major benefits, that is cut manual workforce, enable evidence-based policy making, strengthen digital governance, and obviously support multi-ministry adoption, that is education, health, and rural development. And obviously the continuous improvement with AI model training system and smarter over time. Now let me show you the demo of our application that we have been implemented. So here, as you can clearly see, that this is our StatFlow AI, that for data pre-processing, that clean, detect, schema, score quality, and visualize in minutes, not hours. So this is are the wise to start the intelligent automation, quality comparison, real-time insights, and here's the major flow, that how it's work. Now let's get started. So as you can see here, user can come and simply upload their survey data. So here basically I have get some sample data for testing. So yeah, so as you can clearly see that how the data has been properly customized, and it will provide the complete analysis report on the basis of data by detecting each and every step, as I earlier shown you. This is a major quality score 88, 20 row and 7 column, and domain, that is name, and these are all the user data has been shown in proper graphical manner. Yeah, this is the outlier rate, missing health, and schema distribution, numeric 4, categorical 3, and yeah, here the histogram, then inflate schema. Yeah, so that's all, and obviously we can generate the proper report. As I click on this, here the proper report has been generated. Yeah, so here's the proper report has been generated, as you can clearly see that. So in conclusion, our StatFlow AI is our detailed solutions for our problem statement 4 of status on 2025. It addresses the core issue of delay, error, and inefficiency by automating the most time consuming and part of the survey data. Yeah, we believe that StatFlow AI is scalable, Bharat ready, and future proof. Thank you for your attention.